We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty handed.
I also just got these organizers.
You like to drive and get down and dirty, act like that.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to do a little bit of a reset, a restock. So I thought I would do my kitchen today, my master bathroom, and just a lot of the areas where I wanted to get new organizers. So you will see that in today's video, lots of new organizers. I will link them all for you. Today's actually October 1st, so I'm really excited. I'm gonna take out more Halloween decor. I've got lots of like spooky stuff downstairs that I haven't taken out yet, so I'm really excited about that. Not yet subscribed, make sure to subscribe now, and I'm gonna roll right in. I just got back from Marshall's actually. I got a few things. I got this for outside. We have lots of black and wood accents, so I thought this would be nice, especially with like Halloween coming. I'm doing more of like a skeleton look outside. I got these toothbrushes, which I thought would be really nice for travel. Big pillows that I've been kind of looking for, ones like this for the bedroom. Wanted to show you guys what the boo basket looks like. So this is the one that I made for Instagram, and I'll have a different one for YouTube. Just do something really cutesy. I feel like it turned out really nicely. Pumpkin, very fall inspired, but just very cute. So they're following on Instagram. The only thing I have you guys do is reshare, and that's it. I like to make my giveaways super, super easy. And so how cute are these earrings? I kind of want to go back and get myself a pair. Also have been obsessed with this sweater. I got it from Fashion Nova. I love the collar. It's so cozy. I've worn it the last 3 days with these really loose fitted pants. Also from Fashion Nova, and they're so baggy and comfortable. Like the only kinds of pants that I want to wear in October are just comfy, cozy, not really sweatpants, like they're still dressy, which I really like. Anything nude. Also so happy I got my nails done yesterday. I went with a light pink. You guys know my last nails in the last like 3 videos. I've had like my bell nails from the girls' birthday parties. I haven't gone in so long, but we've been so sick. It's just been a train, so I'm really happy that I finally got them done. I got this new fragrance in, and it's, if you like warm vanilla and musky scents, I think you'll like really like this. The bottle's so pretty. I've never tried their fragrances. I just have it right here. This is kind of like where I put my new things, but also I just like displaying stuff, as you know, in my closet. Also this blush right here, the Guava Anastasia liquid blushes. This is amazing. I'm addicted to these. They're so easy to apply. I just put it on my lips and cheeks, and it applies and wears so nicely. The colors are so beautiful, and it's been like one of my favorite products.
Who's good boy? Oh my goodness, you're tackling me. Look at your haircut, so fresh. Oh my god. People say you don't play. Crazy dog. Crazy doggy. Crazy. My little sick burrito.
Out the boxes, but I wanted to quickly show you guys. I had my mesh integration today, which is my hair install. I'm modeling for Sarah. She was training some girls the process, but April, the owner, actually gifted me the body cream, body wash, and then also their fragrance. I love Oribe, and I've been using it like since I've been going to her salon Root Bar. I used it years ago when I worked at Halt Renfrew. I love it though. It's such a good scent. It's super nourishing, moisturizing. This is the body cream, and I love how it's like a fall color. Oh, it smells so good. I really like their scents. If you haven't smelled something, definitely, I think they have it at Sephora. And then the other thing that I got right here is the fragrance. Look at the cap. The cap is like so pretty. And I just sprayed it earlier. It's really nice. I'm really a sucker for really pretty packaging, and I love anything that I can like have out and display. Jewelry, fragrances, things, candles. Okay, so a little bit of an upgrade. We were using this before and just put up these little shelves. So I got them on Amazon and they look so nice. Like being able to like reach for my shampoo conditioner up here now. I bought some new products, so I want to show you guys those in a minute. And then also hair mask that goes right here. You can also put loofahs on here, razors, things like that. Up here, it's the 1 liter bottle. I've never bought a shampoo this big, but I wanted to because I actually use this on the girls' hair and then also mine. It goes very quickly, so I just thought I'd get the big bottle, and like, look how pretty this bottle is. It's so pretty. And it fits nicely just right in here. And then this was the body wash that it came with. I'm really excited to use this. Saturday Skin, that's just my cleanser up there. I got these two as well, so these I will use because I have the extensions in. I definitely need something a little bit more moisturizing, nourishing, so I went with these, and she said they're really good. Both the shampoo, conditioner, and then I also have my Grace and Stella little facial tool that I use with my with my cleanser. This bathroom, it needs like a major cleaning. It's what it looks like. I'm in the midst of cleaning and organizing and getting everything taken out, kind of doing like a declutter of old products because there's some stuff that's expired that I haven't used. I'm definitely doing like a full clean out. Lots of stuff down there that I need to like get rid of that today, because I feel like any time after I've been in the house and I've been sick, all I want to do is clean and like reorganize. So I promise I'll do like a little before and after so you're not just seeing this mess. I also had lots of questions on this little organizer that I have for my brushes. So this is actually just from Temu. You can get it on Amazon as well. Just like nicely displays your eyeshadow brushes or just smaller brushes. The big powder ones will not fit, but smaller ones is really cute. Let's have this one right here. You can put brushes in here too. And I actually want to go to Sephora this week and get some products that I've been out of. Concealer, foundation, new foundation because this is my summer one, and just some other new things that I've been wanting to try out. Really excited. It's always nice getting like new things, makeup haul. I forgot to show you guys the other thing I got from Marshalls. So I got this massive nude pumpkin. So I got it for our front console area because everything is like white and cream in the front, so I thought I'd get that. But like I said, I'm gonna bring out some of my spooky stuff because we have a lot of black outside and I want to have kind of like a boo theme outside. Excited to kind of get into Halloween decor. Can't believe it's October 1st. The other thing I have to do tonight, I have to find a Halloween costume because for my birthday, I don't know if there's any other Libra babies out there, but my birthday is this month. I'm just like such a fall girl. I love when the colors change. I love everything about fall decor and wardrobe. Wardrobe is my favorite. Excited, I'm doing a Halloween party. I've never hosted one before. So it's gonna be a dress up party. I have no idea what to wear. A few outfits in mind, but I think I'm gonna have to go on Temu later and just try to find something last minute. But yeah, I don't know. If you have any ideas, let me know in the comments. I also just bought these organizers. They can be used for like little toiletries, so I'll link them down below, but I've been using them for the girls' snacks. And then the other thing I'm gonna use them for is like little toiletries for the bathroom. My skincare cabinet is all done. I've been really wanting to work on this and just declutter. I've got my little skeleton bath candle, but this is definitely a lot nicer. And these are from Temu, these organizers that I got. I love that they spin. It's so easy to grab things. Fit a lot. And I put some cute little pumpkins out. I've got kind of a variety of hair care. I've got some stuff for my makeup brushes, body lotions, serums, and then skincare, and then skincare also at the top. Very, very happy with how this turned out. A little unboxing since this just came in. Okay. So, ooh, the girls will be excited. These were really cute. The little owl. So it's pink on the inside and then green. So I'm really excited to give it to the girls today. Ooh, these are so cute. Very nice. Look at these. They're compressed cotton towels. For guests. I actually wanted to do a full restock, like organization of my guest bedroom. And I think that'd be kind of a cool thing to do. So I might do that next. I don't have very many things in my guest room right now, but I think I can definitely do some cool stuff. These have been all over TikTok. I'm sure you guys have seen these. They have gone like super viral, these snack boxes. So you can put like different snacks in this. I liked this idea for a movie night. I think it'd be great to have a different assortment of snacks because the girls run up here constantly and just grab snacks. So. And I actually ordered a pink one too, but I'm still waiting on that one. So these ones are clear. I'll link them down below. So I wanted to say thank you to everyone that entered my giveaway on my last video. So I'll have the winner on the screen here. Lots more of these in my videos, so stay tuned. And do a boo basket. So I gotta get stuff for that one because I wanted to do it on Instagram, but I've been wanting to do a really fun one for YouTube. So that's what I plan to do this week. It'll be my next video. If there's anything that you guys want to see for the month of October, let me know in the comments. Yeah, lots of just reorganizing and decorating. Really excited for October. Good morning. We've got chipmunks on, and I just did the girls' lunches. So we're using the new lunch boxes, which are so cute. I really like them. Cinnamon raisin toast, and then cucumbers, strawberries, blueberries, little fruit snacks. They've got their little forks and knives, and then these are their little lunch bags. They're so cute. I think I got them at like Winners. But yeah, I will link these down below. I think these ones are my favorite. They have the mermaid ones too, but I love the colors of these ones. Like just, yeah, outdoorsy, very cute. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching all the reorganizing, restock that I did for my fridge. I don't really show my fridge a whole lot, but I think it's really nice to see like the organizational parts to it, things that you guys can do to make your life a little bit easier. So I will link everything for you in my description. If you enjoyed today's video, and of course I will see you guys in my next one.
Going off to different places, different planets. What you are